Have you ever heard of a war that humans lost? 2 birds. No, I'm not kidding. This actually happened. In 1932, Australia declared war on emus. Yes, those big, flightless birds. See, after World War I, thousands of emus were migrating and destroying farmland, so the military was called in. They sent soldiers armed with machine guns to deal with the problem. B. What happened next is almost unbelievable. The emus were masters of guerrilla warfare. They were fast, they dodged bullets, and they split into small groups, making them impossible targets. The soldiers were completely out. After several failed attempts and thousands of rounds of ammunition spent, the military withdrew. The emus had won. The official report even noted their incredible ability to face machine guns with the invulnerability of tanks. History is truly stranger than fiction. If you want more unbelievable true stories, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.